Today I'm going to show you how you can set a voicemail number in the Red Magic 8 Pro. So in the first step, open the Caller app, tap on the three-dot icon, and choose the call settings. Now just slide down and look for the more settings. Wait a few seconds. And tap on the voicemail. Choose the voicemail number, and this is a place where you can enter your number, of course, so just do it by the keyboard and click on the save to save it. I'm sorry, and OK to save it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.